Hey there, if you trade covered calls, you're going to want to watch this short video. This video is what I call when strong markets start to crack. And I think that's what we're in right now, especially if you're looking at gold or silver or some of the other precious metals that are out there. They are significantly cracking today. Not sure when you're watching this video, but when things start to crack, one thing leads to the next and leads to the next. So we'll see what happens with that. But if you're doing covered calls, you need to learn how to adjust your strategy for these kinds of markets. Now, typically, if you're in a green market, you want to be bullish. But sometimes those markets start to transition and the green doesn't change to red until a little bit later. So you want to be on top of it and make sure that you're on top of the game if you are trading covered calls. So anyway, the market context is this. We have had a 2-month long green market. Now, markets generally last about 15 to 18 days in this short-term oscillator that I have, but this one's gone on for 2 months, which means that the potential for it dropping after it's gone up for 2 months starts to increase. And I've been talking about this for a week or so, saying, look, I think we're at the top. I'm starting to see some cracks. And now you're starting to see some speculative leaders sell off, like I just mentioned, gold, silver, for example. And the risk comes off before the indexes start to roll. So, the QQQ looks pretty good today. The S&P 500 looks pretty good today. But when leadership starts to break, the indexes slowly start to react because then all the selling starts to come in. And you're seeing that starting just a little bit today. I don't know if it'll last, but it's starting. And so you have to make a strategic shift from offense to defense. Now, covered calls are a bullish strategy, so you want to be in a bullish market. And if the market's coming down, you still can be in a bullish position, but you want to start to play defense. What that means is you need to shore up your account and shore up your position. So in a strong market, like the one we've had for the last couple of months, you want to get that income from covered calls and you want to use what I call the rocket strategy. And that has a little bit of upside focus. This is your traditional covered calls, which is buy a stock, sell a call a little bit out of the money, maybe at a 20 or 30 delta, create the income. And then if it goes up, great. Now, in a weakening trend, you want to have protection. Now, this is my favorite strategy. It's called the fortress, and you want to be in the money because the in the money amount, the intrinsic value, protects the account on the way down to the extent that you're in the money. So the deeper you are in the money, maybe the less juice or income that you make, but the more protection you have from that intrinsic value. Capital preservation in these markets is the most important thing. You don't want to give up capital preservation. Listen, I've given up capital preservation and capital in my career a lot of times. And I'm telling you, it's not fun, especially when you've made a good profit and then you give it back or you give back some of it. So the goal is to try to preserve your capital and compound it, right? If you go backwards, then you have to kind of fill that hole in front of you. So don't dig a hole in front of you that you have to fill back in. So what do you do? How do you select your strikes? Well, in a strong market, you want to sell maybe out of the money at a 25 or 30 delta, for example. But in a weakening market, you want to sell closer to the money, which means your deltas are going to go up a bit higher. In fact, I think they could be higher than 40 or 50, maybe 60 or 70. I like deep in the money calls, which means a higher delta, means a higher chance of you ending that position being in the money. So stop fighting assignment. A lot of you like to roll. I certainly believe in roll because you want to be in a position for a long term. But when it rolls and it goes over your strike price, especially in this market, take it, right? If you make it, take it. And that means you lock in your max profit. If you don't have to roll, you just let it go. You let it get assigned and you're done. You're back in cash, right? Over rolling increases your late cycle risk of what I call the whipsaw. That's when a stock goes up, you roll up to catch it, it goes up again, you roll up to catch it, then it goes back down. Then you set a strike price higher and then it goes higher than that strike. You're giving up money as you do that, right? But in this case, if you let your stock get assigned, you go into cash and now you have that cash available to go back in and buy something when the market is right or when the stock is at the right spot on the chart. A lot of stocks are losing their spot on the chart right now. So when you position side is in a transitionary market, you want to go from an earlier trend large position to a smaller position in the late side of the trend, right? So as things are working, you're building your position. But as they start to move up way into strength, it maybe become extended, you start to pair off some of those positions and take some profits off the table so that if you do get a market like this that starts to correct, you are not giving all your profit back, okay? So reduce your size into strength. Now, what happens is we set up a false sense of safety trap, right? And strong markets create that overconfidence, especially the farther away that you are from a weak market. So now you're not hearing a lot of people talking about, be careful. You're hearing about AI is going to be the next biggest thing, or gold, everybody should just pile into gold. You're hearing all these bullish things because we're really far away from the negative stuff, which we had in the last red market. So we've forgotten all those things. And now we're like, oh no, we don't want to miss out on that gold, that silver, that, NVIDIA or whatever, right? And so we oversize chasing the upside. And then you start to sell too far out of the money, you lose your protection, and you know the rest of the story. So, you also don't want to be buying on the dips, because buying on the dips works on the way up. But at some point when it's on the way down, you're just sending good money after bad. You want to be very, very careful. So what do you do this week, maybe this month, if this market starts to turn and continues to turn? Well, use higher delta calls for protection. Go deeper in the money, or at the money at least if you're out of the money right now. Take profits when you can. Avoid those stocks that are looking weak, things that are below their 50-day moving average, things that are unsuccessfully testing their 200-day moving average. Watch out for those things, and then get out of those things quickly. Have a circuit breaker, a trading plan to get out of that position if things go the wrong way, so that you don't give up profits or you don't lose money and you can live to fight another day. Be emotionless when you have to pull the trigger to get out of a stock. You can always get back in. Don't forget that. You can always buy back into a stock, but get out, preserve your capital, and it'll be a good practice for you, especially if you can remain unemotional. The bottom line is you want to survive these periods of time so that you can compound. Defense wins championships. So great that you've scored some points over the last couple of months while we've had this green market. I hope you have, but don't give those up. Right? Play some defense and shift from offense to defense anytime the leadership starts to crack. So I hope this makes sense. It's just a cautionary piece of advice for you going into these markets, because they do roll over. They don't go up forever. I don't care what the news says. Don't listen to the news. There's a totally different agenda for the news, and that's to sell ads. It's not to help you make money. Be careful who you listen to, and just be smart when you trade. Listen, I have a challenge coming up right now. We just decided to announce it. It's called the $10,000 Dare. It's the 10K. Here's the website, 10kdare.com. 10kdare.com. Go there, sign up. It's a 5-day challenge to see if you can learn how to make 10,000. Now, maybe it's not 10,000 for you because your account's smaller, or maybe it's 100,000 for you because your account's bigger. We're just picking a number, and we're going to show you the principles behind doing covered calls properly. So if you want to find out a little bit more about that, I'd love to have you. It's starting in a couple of weeks here, mid-February. I think it's the 16th, but anyway, you can check the details on the website. It's 5 days in a row, an hour each night, where we teach you the whole covered call system. And there's two different tuitions, right? Because there's a little bit of a cost for it. It's either the general admission, or you can get the VIP admission, which gives you a little bit of extra time before the calls and some coaching with me. So I hope to see you on that. We have an event coming up in April, so keep an eye out for that, the 17th through the 19th out in Phoenix. So we'll be releasing some details on that coming pretty soon. And if you're interested in going any farther with me, I'll have a little something coming up right here at the end. If you want to learn how to do covered calls properly and then go really deep, we have a course called the Elite Program, and I'll talk about it in just a second and link it below. Listen, be careful in this market, right? Be careful in this market. Please don't give up your profits because somebody on CNBC is telling you that the market's going to go up forever. They do go up, and they do go up forever, but they correct in between. All right? Thanks for being here. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.
Let me ask you something. Are you tired of losing money in the stock market? Are you tired of watching your portfolio go nowhere while the markets swing up and down? Or maybe you handed your hard-earned money to a financial advisor, hoping they'd help you grow it, only to be disappointed by high fees and underwhelming returns? I get it. I've seen it all. And that's exactly why I created the Cashflow Machine Elite course, to put the power back in your hands. This isn't just a theory. This is real, in-depth training on how to generate consistent weekly income from your existing portfolio using covered calls, just like the ones you see in my videos, but at a whole other level. Every week, you could be generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars in premium income, enough to easily pay for this course in a matter of weeks. And more importantly, enough to build a life where your money works for you and not the other way around. Let's be clear, this course isn't for everyone. It's not for people looking to get lucky. But if you got a decent sized portfolio and you're ready to stop hoping and start earning, then you owe it to yourself to invest in the knowledge that can change everything. The Elite course is now open. The results speak for themselves. Click on the link below and let's build your cash flow machine together.